This is November 30th. I had to unpack every single one of our drawers and make it so that it's very chemically. They can come in and treat all the improper stuff. I'm here on a Saturday taking my day off to do this, and for the benefit of the apartment, I guess, and my health. You can see here I'm wearing a mask because it's so strong. See, it's going to take quite a bit of time. Took a lot of time to take everything apart to put it all back together. It's going to be a lot, especially when one of us, really, pregnant wife. So, these guys are working hard. We're a couple hours in now.